when you put it on Google, Ranthambore National Parks, so you will come across a plethora of advices. अगर आप otherwise Google पे करेंगे ranthambore.nationalpark.in, ranthambore.in, कुछ भी ऐसे रणथंबोर करके जो भी करेंगे गूगल के 8-10 रिजल्ट है. ऑल दोज वेबसाइट्स आर एक्चुअली रन बाय एजेंट्स इन दिल्ली विच आर बेस्ड इन दिल्ली. तो मेरे साथ भी ऐसे हुआ, तो वो ठगी चल रही है, तो उसके नाम पे आपको 1100-1200 रुपये का खर्चा आएगा. एक्चुअली टिकट 700 रुपये की है. सो देर इज़ अ वर्ड ऑफ कॉशन हियर, बी केयरफुल. देर विल बी ranthambore.in, ranthambore.nationalpark.in, ranthambore.park.in, and all these kinds of sites. And prima facie they appear as if they are government sites. I booked through that, but actually they are through agents, and these agencies are run through Delhi. So यहाँ पे वो अपने पैसे बनाते हैं. एक्चुअली कैंटर की जो राइड का असली प्राइस है 713 रुपये है, इंक्लूडिंग गाइड फीस, व्हीकल फीस, एवरीथिंग 713 रुपये. और हम जो बुक कराते हैं ऑनलाइन वो पड़ा 1100 रुपये. एंड दिस ट्रैवल एजेंसीज इन द नेम ऑफ Ranthambore National Park, which look very authentic, they will charge you more on the safari. So I'm telling you the website on which you should book your Ranthambore safari. तो जब आप भी बुक कराएंगे तो मैं आपको एक तरीका बता रहा हूँ, and you may kindly note down. It is SSO Rajasthan. I repeat, SSO Rajasthan. Go there. Then there is a 5-minute registration process. Then it is the one point whereby you can access all the services in Rajasthan government, and then you can choose the wildlife, and there you will come across the national parks that are in Rajasthan. You need to choose Ranthambore, and in Ranthambore you need to choose the kind of vehicle you want, gypsy or you want canter. And I'm giving you very good information. The correct price of canter per person is 713 per person, that is 713 per person. And the rate for gypsy per person is 1160 rupees per person again, and it includes guide, vehicle charges, petrol charges, access to the park, entry fees, everything it includes. So don't be befooled or misguided by any other agents who in the name of safari are charging you much more. So the price in gypsy it will be 1160, and the price for canter will be 713. This is what you gotta pay if you go by proper channel. And there is one more advice. Whenever you check in, after that you print the voucher, and in whichever resort you are staying or whichever hotel you are staying in Ranthambore, in Savai Madhopur, you can call them and send them by WhatsApp the copy of your voucher, because the number in canter or in gypsies, they are allocated right in the morning, because there are 300 canters and many more, 600 or 700 gypsies here. So they are given by rotation duty by the forest department, and the allocation is done right in the morning at 5 a.m. So if you give it to your resort, against this voucher, the name of the driver and all the details will be communicated to you by your resort guy. So that will make your life easy. Otherwise, you will have to go all the way to the booking office and stand there at 5 or before 5, so it doesn't make any sense. And then all your details will be communicated to your gypsy or canter guy, and then in the morning or one night before, then they will call you and tell you the location from where you need to be picked up. So in the morning, when you have very, very less time, it will make your life very, very easy. And always it is recommended to go in the morning safari over the evening safari, because there is much more possibility of sighting tiger. And the best time to come to Ranthambore, when there is least rush, is from March till the 15 June, when the monsoon commences. So March till 15 June, then the grass is very dry and it is not very, very green, and you can see the park, like you can see the tigers in great distance. So that is the best season to come. Now coming to the selection of zones in Ranthambore National Park, there are 8 to 10 zones of safari. So whenever you have to book your safari to Ranthambore National Park online, you always go in for 1 to 4 zones. They are the best zones. और इनमें से जो 3 जोन है दैट इज़ द मोस्ट सॉट आफ्टर, रीज़न बीइंग सिंपल। जो भी आप पोस्ट कार्ड पिक्चर देखते हैं रणथंभौर नेशनल पार्क की, बीच में एक जोगी महल बना हुआ है जहाँ की मछली वगैरह, ये काफ़ी जो टाइगर थे, टाइग्रेस जो पुराने रहे हैं रणथंभौर के लेजेंडरी, उनकी जो फोटोज़ हैं उसी जोगी महल के सामने ली गई थी। एंड दैट इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट सॉट आफ्टर एंड द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल रेंज इज़ रेंज नंबर 3, टेक माई वर्ड। लेकिन अगर रेंज नंबर 3 में बुकिंग आ रही है तो फिर आप 2 लीजिए या 4 लीजिए, दे आर द सेकंड बेस्ट। उसके बाद नंबर 1, और अगर वो भी नहीं होता है और अगर बहुत कम वक्त है आपके पास तो 5 से 8 के बीच आप ले सकते हैं, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव। सो दिस इज़ अबाउट आवर एक्सपीरियंस इन रणथंभौर, एंड वी वर स्टेइंग इन this beautiful property run by RTDC in the middle of forest. So it is 2.5 kilometers inside forest, and this is the only property and only heritage actually property that is situated inside Ranthambore National Park. And this used to be the hunting lodge of Maharaja of Jaipur. It is 200 odd years old, and it is called Jhumar Bauri. So here if you want to stay, the rate for the room will be 5,400, and for the suite it will be 7,400 plus taxes, and this includes all the meals like your breakfast, dinner and lunch. So we had a wonderful stay, and rooms are, of course, you know, because it was a real hunting lodge of Maharaja of Jaipur, so it is really beautiful. It is an experience in itself. And yesterday when we were having dinner, just across the wall there was a leopard also around 8 p.m. So because my camera again was not with me at that time, I was not able to record, and it was pretty dark. But it is an extremely great experience. And when we were going to the safari in the morning, then on the way also you come across a lot of deer and whatnot.